Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the refrigerant and legal need to recover it. You must use certified equipment. Once ready, put on gloves and goggles and work outdoors or in a ventilated bay. Attach the manifold hoses to the high and low service ports and connect the recovery machine to the cylinder. Turn the machine on and open the manifold valves slowly so the unit draws refrigerant into the recovery cylinder. This prevents compressor damage and keeps the system isolated. Once the recovery machine is running, watch the gauges and run until you reach the manufacturer's low-pressure target or vacuum begins forming. If the compressor has service valves, close inlet and outlet valves to isolate it. This keeps remaining charge from re-entering. Continue recovery until the compressor area reaches safe low pressure. You're removing trapped gas and protecting the oil. Make sure to monitor the recovery cylinder and machine to avoid overfill, and to watch for odd sounds that indicate a stuck valve. When gauges show acceptable low pressure, turn off the recovery machine and close manifold valves, remove hoses and cap service ports. Label the recovered refrigerant cylinder with type and weight. Let the vehicle ventilate briefly and inspect with an electronic leak detector to confirm no remaining charge. If pressure will not drop or the compressor stays pressurized, make sure service valves are fully open/closed as required. Inspect for a stuck internal valve or bad seals, and consult a certified technician.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.